Hello Salmelu, welcome back to IndiAfrican. Yes, you're going to watch yummy and juicy potato balls. First of all, we will boil 3 potatoes and smash them nicely. Add red chili powder about half teaspoon. Salt as per your taste. Black pepper powder about 1/4 teaspoon. Finely chopped green chili 1. Mango powder about 1/4 teaspoon. We also call it as Amchur powder. Chopped onion 1 small. Chopped garlic about 4 to 5 slices. Mix them nicely. Finally, add coriander leaves and mix again. We have taken some mozzarella, or even you can use cheddar cheese, cut into small pieces. Now let's make this potato mixture into flat shapes using our hands. Now let's place a piece of mozzarella in the middle. Now let's make round shapes of this potato mixture. We have taken some breadcrumbs and thin mixture of all-purpose flour. Dip the ball in the mixture. Roll it over the breadcrumbs. Do the same with the rest. Let's freeze them for about 2 hours. Finally, fry them on a medium flame. Roll and fry every now and then. So that's the potato balls we have made. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try and enjoy, and let me know how is it in the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.